that, eh? Oh. Cool.
Yeah, I went all the way in there and then around those islands. And there's a dad over there somewhere further with the dog.
Oh.
With the kids. And, yeah.
Hi, Pen. Hi. I'm just out here enjoying the lake.
And all the big rocks that aren't scary at all, not even a little bit.
Afraid of all those giant rocks that are going to jump out of the water and get you?
They might. Very well.
Finally getting in the water for a paddle. It's been a long 3 months of moving, shaking, moving, shaking some more, shake and bake. Trying to paddle with one hand and hold this, that's always fun. But it's beautiful out here. It's nice living back at the beach again because we get this all the time. Can't beat it. And look, there's a pug. Hello, pug. Dad's trying to catch up.
There's a nice little cove in there that's nice and calm and shallow.
Mm-hmm.
All flat rock.
Yeah, there's all kinds of cool stuff out here. We got really cool coves, shipwrecks, rock formations, all kinds of cool stuff out here. Lots of cool little treasures, little trinkets, tchotchkes. So, yeah, it's just another beautiful day out here. We're kind of running down on summer, but hopefully we have a few more days like this. Months. Months. Here's hoping. Here's hoping. Oh, just put you up in there for a minute. There we go. It's nice and sandy over here, babe. What's that? No, not cold at all. Refreshing. Beautiful. That wind kind of just fought. There's no wind like right here. Oh, beauty. Dun 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 dun. Diddly.
You can swim?
You coming in? Come here. It's actually not this deep, Penny. I'm just sitting on my bum. It's nice and sandy though. Hi. Look at you. You're a paddleboard dog. You're a paddleboard dog. You're a paddleboard dog. Oh, bum cheeks. Oh, hi baby. Oh, hi baby.
Oh, I'm like, Penny's bum cheeks?
Yeah. Oh. Getting a tow from a camel.
Cool, it looks like the ocean.
You want to come in? You want to go in? Look at your tongue. Look at this tongue. Look at the tongue.
I tried to get a cute pic, but
So you know you're okay? Come here. Let's stand on the rock first. There you go. Careful. There you go. You okay? You know you're okay, so that's good. Don't go too far.
She'll probably want to go with me.
This is really gonna hurt her leg. There she goes.
Like how we ask her questions, like she's hopping around. She wants to roll around with that life jacket on so bad.
What are you doing? Slippery, slippery. Ooh.
What's wrong today?
Yeah, it's a nice little break from in between of moving, unpacking and putting stuff away, and so this is a nice little break. We needed this, but now we're gonna have to go back to regular scheduled programming.
Careful.
Yeah, be careful over there, you goof. Yeah, not good. All right, back at it. Alright, so we are going to continue to replace all our LED lights here. We've already got some up in place. I bought a 4-pack a month or so ago just to try them out, and I really liked them. So I went ahead and I ordered. I've got 8 more, so that'll finish off everything else here in the shop. They're just an LED UFO light from Amazon. I think it was like 112 bucks for the 4-pack, so realistically it's pretty cheap. I want to get rid of all these other old school bulbs in here and have a lot better lighting and a lot cheaper lighting, so that's what we're going to do today. So let's run a time lapse. That is so bright in here right now. This is like when I worked in the hospital a few years ago. Holy, straighten that one out a little bit. My OCD kicks in when things are kind of crooked. There we go. Oh wow, so we've got one under the garage door. You can see it shining. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's already one installed over that garage door from a while ago, so I only have to change out that one. And then these 3, but I think for today, I think we're gonna be okay with that. I have to move this 283 engine because it's gotta go on a stand here shortly, because that's the motor that I wanna put into Aftermath, because that's a 283 SS out of a 6.2 Impala, camel hump heads, the whole shot. So I want that motor in there. Ram's horns, manifolds, the whole shot. So I gotta move some of this stuff. Once we get this assembled, some of this will go. These are kitchen cabinets. They're going to go in the back for the winter until we're ready for them in the house. So once I move that out of the way, I'll get to the one in front of the compressor. And once I'm done out front, because I've been clearing all this mess and cleaned all this up the other day and hung up Dad's railway sign. And this is all going to be gravel and decorative with some farm implements and an old hood and things like that. So once I'm done with that, then this thing can go out. And then I'll knock these other 3 off. I don't feel like moving this car right now. I just don't. I'm gonna hopefully drive it this week, take it to work, and then we got hopefully a big show coming this weekend, so we'll get them out. But I'm super excited for that now. And here, that is super bright. That's really lit up in here. So much better. Like you look at the color on these ones, and then you look at these. Totally different. So I'm gonna put the link for these down in my description below. I got them from Amazon. They weren't expensive. They are super bright, like that one right there. I'm very happy with them. So if you want to get a set of your own, or see some of the other ones, they make them in like 6, 8-inch, 12s, 15s, 20s. They make them in fairly big sizes for taller shops. Go ahead, hit that link down in the description and order some up. Yeah, we'll continue on with this later at another time. For now, we'll get into something else.